Welcome back to another video and happy Black History Month. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the Somali Basbaas, or it's also called hot sauce. Basically, it's the Somali hot sauce. It's the green sauce that you see at Somali restaurants. I've had a lot of people ask me on Snapchat how I make it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it today. We're going to need a bunch of cilantro, or about 1 cup of cilantro, a small sized onion, 1 jalapeno pepper, or any type of hot chili pepper that you could use, the juice of 1 lime, 2 habanero peppers, 2 garlic, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of yogurt. All right, so let's get started. So I've put all my ingredients in the blender and I'm adding my juice of lime in there. So I got half of the lime there. And I'm gonna add the other half. So everything is in there. Now we blend. So we're going to blend. First, so our Basbaas is ready, as you can see, and this is the perfect consistency that we want. I'm gonna open it to show you guys. Ooh. So that's our Basbaas right there, and it's ready to be eaten with the rice, or you can eat it with the spaghetti, or just toss it on anything you prefer. A little pizzazz on it. All right. For presentation purposes, I don't want to throw the Basbaas right on top. I'm using this dosage cup for the Basbaas right here. All right, so I'm gonna put some in here.